Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Upper Montrose. And guys, do you remember this apartment complex? This complex was built in the Golden Triangle area. And it became very famous because the residents took the developers to court stating that the area doesn't allow more than single home units. So it went to court, and the court in January 2020, Supreme Court Judge Judith Pusey ordered the immediate destruction of the housing units after determining that the developer had violated the covenants and had breached building approvals issued by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. The judge also ruled to the satisfaction of the residents that their neighborhood was a single-family residential area and that the developers failed to convince the court that the character of the area had changed to facilitate the multi-family development. Now guys, before we continue, look at this. This is another multi-family development, another complex that's going up on Upper Montrose. So it turns out that the judge ordered the development demolished because it violated all sorts of things. But the case went to the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Appeal overturned the demolition order. So that's why the apartments are still there. The Court of Appeal has overturned a Supreme Court order for the demolition of a $100 million apartment complex at 18 Upper Montrose Road in St. Andrew. So basically, that's why those apartments were not demolished, and I'm assuming that's why they're building more in this area, because the titles had a restriction basically saying single family homes. And this development seems even bigger than the first one. So guys, what do you think? You guys remember this case and the fact that the court ordered them demolished because they violated certain things, and then the Court of Appeal rendered a different verdict saying they don't have to demolish them. And I'm assuming that that's why more are being built, because they don't have the green light. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.